Hello friends, welcome to Chella's Katunar. So Katunar means learn and apply. So our channel focuses to share the knowledge and motivate others to learn. Friends, in this video, let us fastly recap 15 important points what we learned out of defined phase. Point number 1. Six Sigma is the methodology to solve the complex problem using statistical tools by CFT team members. Point number 2. In 1986, Mr. Bill Smith, who invented the word of Six Sigma, so he is called father of Six Sigma, and Michael Harry is team member who completely architect the Six Sigma methodology. So both worked in Motorola. Point number 3. In normal distribution, Six Sigma covers 99.99% of area, so that only 3.4 defects per million opportunities left out of the specification limit. So this is the basic for terminology of Six Sigma. So this is aiming to reduce the variation to minimal. Point number 4. Y is equal to f of x. This is a single line explanation of Six Sigma project. So x is the input. So value addition is being done on the input. They are all independent variables. So we get output, that is y, that's a dependent. So in the funneling effect, we just cut filtering the excess. So critical excess are taken further for analysis and improve. So in this process, we categorize critical to process as well as critical to quality. Critical to process is to control the process variation, and critical to quality is to control customer performance parameters. Point number 5. In Six Sigma, we have two methodologies. One is DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve and control. Second one is DFSS. So that is define, measure, analyze, design and verify. Point number 6. Mr. James Womack, the gentleman who introduced the lean manufacturing concept in his book Lean Thinking. So he was talking about 8 wastes, that is downtime, that are all defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion and extra processing. Point number 7. Lean talks about reduction on waste and Six Sigma talks about reduction on variation. So combining Lean and Six Sigma, you will get a double result as well as faster result. Point number 8. We learned about Six Sigma belts. Like yellow belt is the CFT member and green belt lead the Six Sigma project. And these two people are not a full-time members of Six Sigma. And further, black belt and master black belt, they lead the complex project and they are the trainers and coach. And next one is the project champion. They are the department heads who allocate the projects to the green belt. Point number 9. We have learned 3 thumb rules for selecting a project for Six Sigma. Number 1, using Pareto chart, categorizing the parameters, and top contributors can be taken for improvement through Six Sigma. Second one is critical process or product parameter can be taken for improvement through Six Sigma. Third one is small problems can affect consistently every month, that can be taken for improvement through Six Sigma. 10th point. So we have learned importance of project charter and what all the parameters to be covered in the project charter, like project team, project time targets, problem statement and business case, linking the problem statement and its outcome to the business case, and problem scope, in which area we are going to work for improvement, that scopes to be defined, and goals in terms of clear metric parameters. So the goals maximum can be reduction of 30%, either improvement of 30% or reduction of 30%. Point number 11. Project team formation is very important. Team size should not be more than 9 people, and team should be very much diversified, covering all cross-functional members. So team leader should ensure the proper communication between the team, either by one-way communication or multiple ways of two-way communications, either meeting, mail, minute circulation, or one-to-one discussion, or etc. 12th point. We have learned the importance of team in the Six Sigma projects. So there are 4 stages of team development in that. So forming, storming, norming, and performing. So a leader should understand these 4 stages, and he should handle these all stages and to take out of a great output from team members. Point number 13. It is very important for the leader to handle the team conflicts and conclude the conflicts through resolutions. So we have learned 5 methodologies, 5 steps of team conflict resolution. So one is avoiding, accommodating, compromising, competing, and collaborating. So based on the situation, based on the results, based on the team members, so the methodology can be varied. In all location, in all condition, so the same cannot be used. So based on that, the leader can take a decision and conclude the conflicts by action. 14th point. We have learned new 7QC tools. They are primarily called planning tools. So they are affinity diagram, interrelationship diagram, tree diagram, matrix diagram, prioritization matrix, and process decision program chart, and arrow diagram. Last one, point number 15. We have learned 2 tools, that is, one is value stream mapping. It helps to visualize the information, material, and resource flow in the process. So further analysis can be done through this VSM chart, value stream mapping chart. This is the first tool. And second tool, we have learned quality function deployment, that is the house of quality, that helps to collect the voice of customer and comparing it with the competitor and prioritizing that voice and converting that into technical requirement for a design and development process. Thanks friends, hope you got complete clarity and fresh recap on all critical points, 15 points what we learned in the 11 lessons. So now from the next video, we'll enter into the measure phase. So please wait and keep watching Six Sigma series. Thanks.